The Sonos Beam Gen 2 is a sleek, compact soundbar that delivers rich, immersive audio and is perfect for enhancing your home entertainment experience. I have provided the link to this soundbar in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Whether you're watching movies, streaming music, or catching up on your favorite podcast, this soundbar fills the room with vibrant bass and crystal clear dialogue. With Dolby Atmos technology, the Beam Gen 2 creates a panoramic 3D soundstage that brings every scene to life, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Designed for simplicity and control, the Sonos Beam Gen 2 integrates effortlessly into your setup. You can use your TV remote, the Sonos app, Apple AirPlay 2, or voice commands via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to manage your audio experience. Setting up the Beam is a breeze. It requires only 2 cables and uses the Sonos app to guide you through each step. With automatic TruePlay tuning, it smartly adapts the sound to your room's acoustics for optimized performance without any manual adjustments. This ensures your audio always sounds balanced and precise, whether you're watching an action-packed movie or a quiet drama. Beyond movies and shows, the Beam Gen 2 lets you stream music, radio, audiobooks, and podcasts from all your favorite services when the TV is off, making it an all-in-one entertainment hub. Its compact design fits neatly under most TVs without blocking the screen, making it ideal for smaller spaces. The durable polycarbonate build not only adds to its longevity but also gives it a modern, minimalistic look that blends into any room. You can easily pair it with other Sonos speakers to create a fully immersive surround sound setup or expand your system across multiple rooms with seamless wireless integration. Whether you're upgrading your living room or setting up a new home theater, the Sonos Beam Gen 2 offers top-tier performance, smart features, and future-ready connectivity in one impressive package.